Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about making your digital dreams come true. Today, we're tackling a question that's been burning in the minds of many creators. How can I monetize my social media platforms quickly and efficiently? If you've been itching to transform your TikTok or YouTube channel into a money-making machine, then this video is for you. We're going to unveil the secrets and strategies that can help you get monetized in days, not months or years, and start earning fast. So if you're ready to delve into the exciting world of social media monetization, keep watching till the end of this video. We assure you, it's going to be a game changer. Ever wondered if your TikTok earnings could match or even outdo what you're making on YouTube? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of TikTok monetization, and you might be surprised by the potential lurking within this booming platform. TikTok, the viral video sharing platform, has taken the world by storm, amassing billions of users in a few short years. But the real question on everyone's mind is, can it make me money? The answer, quite simply, is a resounding yes. Imagine, if you will, a comparative graphic of TikTok and YouTube earnings. On one side, we have YouTube, a long-standing giant in the world of online content creation, and on the other, TikTok, the new kid on the block. Now, what if we told you that TikTok's potential earnings could dwarf that of YouTube? Sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? But the truth is, TikTok's algorithm, its explosive growth, and its global reach make it a goldmine for content creators looking to maximize their earnings. With the right strategies, you could see your TikTok revenues skyrocket, surpassing your YouTube earnings, and all with shorter, more digestible content. The key to unlocking this potential lies in understanding TikTok's algorithm and leveraging it to your advantage. It's about creating engaging, AI-generated content that resonates with your audience and drives them to interact with your posts. But how exactly do you create this engaging content? And how do you grow your TikTok following? More importantly, how do you monetize this platform to its fullest potential? These are questions we'll be tackling in this video, providing you with insights, tips, and tricks to help you navigate the TikTok landscape and maximize your earnings. As the saying goes, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. And in our next video, we'll be serving up some tasty proof, showcasing real-life success stories of content creators who have cracked the TikTok code and are raking in substantial earnings from this platform. So, are you ready to unlock the earning potential of TikTok and give your revenue a significant boost? Then, don't forget to click in the description box to get an instant, ready DFY monetized TikTok or YouTube channels to start earning fast. And of course, follow this channel for more AI and social media automation tips and tricks. Stay tuned and prepare to take your TikTok journey to new heights. Until next time.